So my friend just got his 3D printer, and he's unboxing it now with his letter opener.
Get off the box. This is Daddy's box. Oh, the tape actually says TiVo on it too, which is the brand.
Mm-hmm.
Move, I don't want to stab a cat. And this thing inevitably slips. Yeah, that sound.
Black neoprene.
I opened it upside down.
Okay, so get the T-Rex tape.
I opened it upside down. I didn't realize it was upside down.
Branding.
Yeah. The shipping label was on the top. I thought the shipping label was on the top, so.
Because you work in shipping all day, and that's where you put the labels.
Exactly.
Because you are intelligent. Apparently they are not.
Let's try this again.
Why not just use a knife?
You have a good idea there.
Maybe this one. Ian. Ooh, better letter opener. And this is actually more like a letter opener.
Except it's actually a folded steel heat-treated Tonto. So...
Right.
that I haven't taken very good care of, but... it's a little easier to handle, too.
Yeah.
Than a 3-foot broadsword.
Imagine that.
There we go. That looks a little better. Oh, look! Instructions!
TiVo, TiVo,
I'm about to lift it up.
TiVo.
So many pieces. Oh, look! They sent me the correct cord. That was my only concern. Was that they might not send me the correct cord.
Nice.
Oh, yes. They sent me black and white PLA. This is the heat resistant. This is what I needed. This is exactly what I was hoping for. I mean, I was hoping they'd send me, like, red and black, but I'm happy with black and white. Oh. It's in so many layers. Oh, there's the beautiful power supply. All the pieces. Oh. Oh, this is going to be a fun weekend. Oh, this is going to be a fun weekend. Tiny motors. Look at the motors. That's the extruder.
Yep. The hot end.
Yep.
All these laser cut. Are these wood?
No, they're laser cut plastic with a cardboard paper coating. I think it peels off. I'm not sure. But... oh, and look at all the beautifully labeled bags for instruction purposes. Man, this is like building Bionicle on a whole different level. Oh!
Yes, except this wait.
Those are my stepper motors. The little motors for rotation on the head, I believe. Those are huge.
Those are the same size as the ones I have.
Yeah. I'm not surprised.
They're NEMA 23s.
Yeah. Oh, this is seriously gonna be a fun weekend.
Except I like those kind better because they have a modular plug on them.
Yeah.
Wait, are they 4-pin?
No. I think they're
6
6.
pin.
Yeah.
That's... Hey.
Hey, Joe. Here,
Ooh.
touch it. Uh-huh.
Oh, that precision, though.
I know. That thousands of tiny clicks that you feel just rotating at once. Oh, that precision. Oh, this...
Yeah.
Hey, you want to help me build it?
Well, I thought that was the plan. What, were you gonna hog the whole thing? You're like, no, my build.
No, I just thought I'd offer. Instead of just assuming.
Well,
For all I know, you didn't want to have anything to do with it.
no, I don't want to touch that thing.
Okay, if you insist.
No!
Input 110 to 220.
25 amps?
Plus or minus 15%. Output 12 volt 25.
Okay, that makes more sense. I'm like, holy crap,
Yeah.
that's an ultra efficient.
We're going to need your big kit, I'm guessing. And I believe there's one more layer. And this is the really fun layer, because this is the layer that has a control panel.
It's like a digital Etch-a-Sketch. Plus 1 axis.
Kinda. And... Yep, that's where I opened it up to. Oh! I'm sitting here going, where's my print plate? By the way, heated bed.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yep.
I have a much longer one.
Oh, I know. So do I, because you gave me one. TiVo Tarantula. Warning, do not touch. Because this thing gets to 200 degrees.
You know what you prime it with?
Hmm.
Best thing to prime it with?
Olive oil? What?
Elmer's glue stick.
Good to know. This is going to be a bit of a project. What say you we get on it?
I say yay.
Good answer.